Hard work.
Hard work.
Hard work.
Hard work.
Hard work. Work.
Hard work. Work. Hard work. Work. Hard work. Work.
Hard work. That's what they say.
Hard work. Work.
Hard work. I earn my pay.
Hard work.
Hard work. Do it every day.
Hard work.
I get up about 2:45.
Hard work.
Got to go and earn my pay.
Hard work.
Put my boots on and lace them up.
Hard work.
Got another day's of work.
All right, everybody, what's up? It's Stefan from Paint Boss. Like and subscribe to us on our YouTube channel. Sorry we've been so slammed I haven't put anything up lately, but this is a pretty sweet shoot right here. This is all duck mold wainscoting on this huge trim pack we have. So I'm gonna show you kind of how we attack. We're gonna spray this whole wall in one shot because there's really nowhere to end any of your lines or your spray lines, so you just gotta do the whole thing at once. Alrighty, here we go.
Agárralo, Miguel.
So you're seeing I'm killing this line at that ledge right there. I shot the crown molding first, and I left that ledge. We are all victim to a jam tip every now and then. Oh, goodness.
In the same spot every time.
Alright, so you can see we try to do it all at once because there's really nowhere else to go. So we do our base, everything all in one pass. This one turned out pretty good. And no matter what's in front of you, you just gotta keep it going. We don't do a lot of starting and stopping because we can't seem to find any guns that don't spit. So we try to keep it flowing all the time. And really on something like this, that's the only way to do it. Okay, all right, everybody, I hope you liked it. Marco's gonna walk you around real quick, go show him what we did so far. Let's give you like a little 20 seconds, go show him what we did. That's after our prep check. Right here. Got it?
Hard work.
Hard work.
Hard work, work.
Hard work, work. Hard work, work.
Súbale, baje. Cuando él baje, baje. Usted también baje, 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 baje.
Hard work. I earn my pay.
Hard work,
Hard work. Do it every day.
hard work,
I get up about 2:45.
hard work,
Work to go and earn my pay.
hard work,
Put my boots on and lace them up.
hard work,
Got another day to work.
hard work,
Hard work. That's what they say.
hard work,
Hard work. I earn my pay.
hard work,
I get off the rock. I move on down.
work,
Got to go. Make the call.
hard work,
Bringing on the doors in the morning.
All right, buddy. I think that's about it for this mill work. So not your everyday trim package, but try to teach you little tips and tricks. At least all you boys, all you pros, all the pro boys and girls out there shooting. I guess gonna respect the technicality of the shoot. Even look at that crown. Look at like the 4-stage crown in between. So thanks a lot for watching, you guys. We hope you enjoyed watching all that wainscot get shot. Make sure you like and subscribe to Paint Boss. And we'll see you next time on the other one. We'll put up a couple before and after pictures on our Platinum Futures Painting Instagram page for y'all. All right, here's our finish drying up on this radius wall.
Let me hear.
Looking pretty fantastic, if I do say so myself. Like butter.
Everybody on the plane. Gotta sit 'em
Look
on
at this.
down.
Sheeny.
Engines are on. Hard work. Mission is go.
Looking good, Marcos.
They say
Ooh, I can see your reflection in it.
I do it for play. Hard